Hello and welcome back to another walk around video. I'm Justin here at Whitby Oshawa Honda, where we've got city deals with a country feel. Today we're checking out this 2016 Honda Odyssey in the Touring trim level with the Deep Scarlet Pearl finish. And this particular model comes to us today with a clean carp roof. And underneath the hood we have a 3.5 liter iVTEC V6 engine matched to a 6-speed automatic transmission with grade logic control, capable of approximately 248 horsepower. Up at the front, we're equipped with auto-leveling high-intensity discharge headlights with the auto on and off feature. Down below we also got our fog lights. You'll have no problem lighting your way through the night. Coming around the side here, you'll see we're running atop 18-inch aluminum alloy wheels with power-assisted ventilated front disc brakes and solid rear disc brakes as well. Plenty of tread on your tire there for you as well to ensure a nice, safe drive. When it's time to enter the vehicle, you'll have no problem thanks to the proximity key feature given away by the black button right on the door handle there. Take a look at the key fob. We have our unlock button, lock, 2 power door releases, tailgate release, and our panic button. So let's hop on in and take a look. So now open up the driver door here. You'll see we got our power mirrors, windows, locks buttons there for you. Storage at the side as well. We got your 2-position memory buttons for your 10-way power adjustable driver seat there for you. Nice gray leather interior. We got a 4-way power adjustable passenger seat with adjustable height seat belts as well. Black leather wrapped tilt and telescopic steering wheel. And down below we have your gas release as well as your foot emergency brake. Still so many great features to check out, so let's hop on in and take a look. Now taking a look at our analog display of our speedometer, you'll see right in that center digital screen that we have 73,229 kilometers on the vehicle at this current moment of time. To the left of the wheel, we have your power back doors. You can switch it on and off. Lane departure warning, vehicle stability assist, rear tailgate release, as well as your parking assist there. On the left side of the wheel, we have your music modes here for you. You can select any mode you like straight from the wheel. Volume up and down controls, music navigation controls, phone and Bluetooth controls down at the bottom, as well as a hidden tab button right there. And you can see right on that top center screen, we can go through all those. We have navigation, phone, information, audio, and rear audio. On the right side of the wheel here, we have your cruise control settings, as well as that information button there for you, which allows you to navigate right through that top center screen on your dash. All your vehicle settings are all there for you. Once again, we have your top screen here. This is also where the navigation map will show. Dual climate zone down below. If your passenger feels like being cool and you want to be warm, you can adjust all those settings accordingly. And if you want all those temperatures to match up like they are right now, you just go ahead and press on that sync button and all your temperatures will be nice and even. We also have all the rear climate control buttons there right in the center for you as well. 2 heated seats for driver and front passenger. Down below we got your touchscreen display, as well as your gear shifter there. Push to start button. We're currently showing off some music here. We can go into the audio source and see that we have FM, AM, XM radio, CD, DVD, HD, as well as a USB, iPod, and there's actually another page here. That we have Bluetooth, AHA internet radio, auxiliary port, rear video, and rear HDMI. Down below we also have more navigation controls for all those same features that we just talked about, as well as you have your buttons there with the navigation, phone, information, front audio, and rear audio, as well as a nice scrolling wheel here, which allows you to go through all your music or any settings right on the map there for you as well. Down below here we have a USB port, 12-volt power outlet, auxiliary port, your rear entertainment where you can stick a DVD in there, keep everyone in the back happy. Nice storage box right here. There's actually a really cool feature as well. It's called the cool box button. Give that a press and everything in there is going to be nice and cool, so you can stick a drink in there, be nice and refreshed. Right in front of the passenger seat we got a lock and glove box here for you, all your manuals as well as tons of storage. Right beside me we got 2 cup holders, big storage space right here, as well as a nice tray and 2 more cup holders right in the back. Right above me we have your sunglasses holder, conversation mirror, interior cabin lights, and power moonroof, so you can get out there and enjoy those sunny days like today. Then we have your Honda Link Connect, where we can hook up your garage door opener, security system, lights, any 3 compatible systems, And then right in front of me, we have your illuminated vanity mirrors for driver and front passenger. But there's still so many great features to check out, so let's go take a look. Checking out our back seats, we got 3 of them right in the center here for you. 3 gray leather seats in the middle and 3 gray leather seats right in the back. Fits 6 passengers, total of an 8-seater vehicle. Let's hop on in and see what other features we got in here. So right in this pouch, you got your headphones for that entertainment system. Same as on that seat there. And then right above us, there it is, your ultra wide screen. Also, we have your remote, clips right out, comes out just like that. You can clip it right back in as well. Stick that screen back up. There's your speakers, sound will come out of there if you don't want to wear the headphones. 2 vents there for the climate zone controls that are on the right side here. We also have a nice sun blocker, so you can block that sun, have a nap, you don't have to worry about the brightness. A lot of cool features. Can't forget about that power close and open button there for you for the back door. And we can also put down these seats and slide them right up for those passengers to get right in the back just by pulling on that lever. And now we can hop on in from here. Let's go take a better look at the back of our trunk. And now checking out the rear of the Odyssey here. We got that touring badge for you. Honda logo, of course, and down below your rear view camera. When it's time to pop open that tailgate, there's numerous ways to do that, but we can always just stick our hand right inside the handle there. Give a press on the button, and it'll automatically open for us. And just like that, we got that nice trunk storage space there for you. Goes really deep, fit a ton in there. We can also stick these back seats down. Just by pulling on this lever here, that'll fold them down. You can just pull it back up. And just like that, you got a 60-40 split, drop down 1, 2, or all those three seats at the same time. Give you the other example here. The seats also go down flat for a nice flat storage space, just like that. So you got 2 options there for yourself. And those seats up front, they also slide up, crawl forward, giving you tons of flat storage space, fit just about anything in the nice Honda Odyssey. Can't forget about your vacuum right there if you want to clean everything out. This side we got another panel there for you. That's the shop vacuum, you need to clean it out. And a little hidden HDMI port right at the side there, as well as your household outlet and your RCA cables, headphone settings, all that good stuff. 2 cup holders, tons of features in your nice Honda Odyssey. That just about wraps it up for this quick peek, but there's still so much more to see. You got to come check out this 2016 Honda Odyssey in the touring trim level with the Deep Scarlet Pearl finish for yourself. Our friendly and knowledgeable staff would be more than happy to help you pick up the perfect vehicle for you. So call, click, or come on down to our showroom located at Whitby Oshawa Honda at 300 Dixon Road South, just off the 401. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more daily walkarounds with myself and more content as well. And follow us on Instagram at Whitby Oshawa Honda. Like us on Facebook, Twitter at Whitby Oshawa Honda. I'm Justin Bean. Thanks for watching.